Hey guys, today I'm going to be fixing the poor idle in my Saab 900 Turbo, or at least I'm going to attempt to do that. And I actually have a decent idea of what's going on here because I'm pretty sure the vacuum lines are crossed over. So let's give that a go and see if that fixes things. I'll insert a clip of how it's idling right now and let's see if we can improve it. I'm working with a vacuum diagram that's available on the Saab Facebook page and on like a forum, I think Saab Central or something. And basically, to begin with, this thing here, I'm pretty sure is meant to go to here. And this one right now is going to here, but it should actually go to there. It's all mixed up. I can't remember it off the top of my head because I can't look at the diagram and film at the same time, but I know it's screwed up, so let me see what I can do in the short amount of time that I have. I'm going to start with this one, where I'll be moving this point here to this connector here. Alright, so I switched this hose around. I probably need to tuck it away or something, but I'm just doing a temporary thing for now. This one here was connected down here. Now I'm connecting it up here, according to the diagram. And now this one, I think goes to, I don't even know. I think this one goes in right. This one goes in right in here. I'm under the dash now. I think that thing in front of my finger is a vacuum line that goes to the tack, maybe? I don't know. Mine doesn't work. I can't see anything wrong from here, so I'm just gonna assume that it's good. Hell yeah, guys, let's go. The tack. Still no tack, still no APC gauge, but this is a huge improvement. Hell yeah. Maybe I did fix it a little bit. It didn't used to respond to tapping, now it does. That's good. Still nothing from the temp gauge.